So after the key machine has gone through and decoded it, sent the information to Decode, we've been able to locate the code for it, the key code, so we can always cut it back to code again. Now it's just a simple matter of transferring the data back to the machine and cutting it to the specs, making sure the right cutter's in, making sure everything's happy, it's lined up the right spot. We've set the cutter speed for whether it's steel, nickel, brass or brass, and making sure we've got the right cutter in there. Okay. You want me to drop the shield, the important bit? Okay, Alright, so now what we've got to do is clean it off, clean all the brass off, rotate it around to the other side and cut the other side. Ready to go. On this machine, like 100, 200?
No, original, yes. Not the ones that we use.